Hello YouTubers and friends, welcome back to my channel. I have here a newly found item, and this is a portable turntable. Not actually an expensive turntable, just an average turntable where you can play records, enjoy your music, and it has an average sound turntable. So the brand here, it has an instruction manual here. The brand is Jorlai TT300 portable suitcase turntable. It has also a cable. This is a USB going to your PC or your laptop. It has also the CD. I think this turntable, I tried to read the instruction manual here, and you can record a music coming from here, then record it and turn into an MP3 songs. You can store it in your PC. So anyway, let's talk here about this turntable only without any recording or some kind of recording stuff. I will try to share here the specification only in how to use and play this portable turntable. So in the front part, it has two speakers, right and left. This is the handle. This is the lock of the briefcase. And on the back part, it has a DC jack, 5 volts in, and it has a line out where you can amplify this in your amplifier. You can plug this in an input in your amplifier like CD. You can input here your CD going to your amplifier, or the tape of your amplifier input, or the tuner of your amplifier input. But you cannot plug this one, connect this to a phono input of your amplifier, because this turntable has already a built-in preamp and an amplifier. So you can input this of any inputs you like in your amplifier, except if your amplifier has a phono input, don't use this line out in a phono input on your amplifier. So auxiliary in, you can input here other gadgets like MP3 stuff, or a cell phone. You can use this one. This is a 3.5 mm jack, and this is going to your PC. This is a USB jack or a port. So on the inside part, this is what it looks like there. And by the way, this is the brand Jorlai. So let's try to take a look the controls. And this one here is the volume control. At the same time, this is a power switch on and off. It has a headphone jack, and on this part here, this is the power indicator. It has a built-in battery, so you can play your music anytime, anywhere, any place, because it has a battery built in. And this one here is the indicator charging. So I will try to demo the indicator charging, how and what it looks like. So this is the charging indicator, and it is red. When it is full, it will turn into a green or blue. It depends on what LED light they use. But here, if it is in a full charge, it will glow into a blue color. So let's try to wait. So this is now the color when it turns the battery to a full charge. This is now, it glow blue. But in the instruction manual, it said they're green, but I think they use another, there are different kinds of color they've used in the charging indicator. So anyway, that's not a big deal about the color, but the only thing that it charge properly. So the part here is the switch for your Bluetooth and head shell, tone arm, armrest. It has also a lock, and there's a tiny switch here. This is for your speed, 33, 45, and 78 RPM. And also it has a mode where you can select auto stop or auto stop off. So you can choose if you want to, like this one, to auto stop in the last play of your record. It will automatically stop, but not auto return. So this turntable is a fully manual turntable. And this one here is the 7-inch adapter for your 7-inch vinyl record. And now I will try to power this first, and as you take a look, I have no power cords connected. Let's use a battery. This is a fully charged unit. So as I power this, there you can see the red light, and about here, as I turn this on, you can see the blue light. The Bluetooth is scanning for pair, so I don't have any gadgets here for Bluetooth. So let's try to switch it off. So now let's try to play some records here using this Jorlai turntable. So I have here another classical record, and let's try to play this simple turntable. So that's all for this Jorlai TT300 turntable. Very simple. You can play anytime, anywhere, any place, because it has a built-in battery inside this unit. So hope you subscribe to my channel. Stay updated always. Thanks for watching, guys.